Hey guys, R&B Sportscards here. Just doing a quick video today. I know I'm a little bit behind, but I made a couple of trades I don't know, like kind of recently. I'm a little behind on my videos, but the first one from Uncle B's Sportscards. He's a good dude. I watch tons of his videos. He does a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is his card. He's got a pretty cool logo there. But yeah, and this is all his information, his email, his YouTube, Instagram, and eBay. I made a little trade with him. He actually ended up sending me a bunch of extra stuff too. But I trade because he collects DJ Chark, so I traded him a bunch of DJ Charks that I pretty much all the DJ Charks that I had. So yeah, he sent me a bunch of cool Bills cards. So this is a Bruce Smith from Absolute. It's a pretty cool card. It's an Eric Moulds. I know he sent me a bunch of older cards, which was really cool. That's from Upper Deck, Eric Moulds. I actually really liked. Used to love Eric Moulds. You got an Ed Oliver draft card from Score, and that's actually the scorecard parallel for Ed Oliver from Score. There's Antoine Smith, Fleer Ultra, all rookie team. Okay, so I remember a lot of these cards actually. I remember these two: the Fleer Ultra, the Gold Medallion. Actually, Doug Flutie. He's another one of my favorites actually too. I'd like to get some more of his. I'd like to get some autos actually of him, Doug Flutie. Jordan Poyer. This is really cool from Prism. It's a die cut actually, numbered to 249. He's a really good player too, Jordan Poyer. Actually, he's a really old school 1983 team leaders Joe Cribbs. Oh, this is Chris Gregg from Topps Magic. I don't know, it's like a mini rookie card. This is a really cool card too. From the Marvel Metal Universe. Bruce Smith with the Incredible Hulk. That's actually a really cool card. I've never seen that before actually. That's cool. And there's an Audrey Reed from Pinnacle. Another one of my favorites. I love all those guys from the 90s. And Bryce Pop from Starting Lineup. So yeah, those are really cool cards. And actually, this is a card that I like. The big card I wanted to get from this is cool. The first down parallel from Score, numbered to 10. That's just a really cool picture too. Diving over the goal line against the Vikings last year. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Numbered short print, numbered to 10. Here, I'll stick that back here. And then I actually just made this deal, and this is with Coach's Cards. That's his name. He has a YouTube channel and an Instagram, but he's from Houston, or from Texas, so he collects a lot of Houston, and he collects Ed Oliver. So I had an extra Ed Oliver from Legacy, like one of the chrome, like numbered chromes. And so I sent him that, and I sent him he collects George Springer, so I sent him a George Springer. And he actually hooked me up, too. He threw some extra cards in here, Lorenzo Alexander, some Mario Williams, but then he sent me, because he said he had an extra Ed Oliver which I don't have this one either, so that's awesome. Ed Oliver from Legacy Auto. So it's pretty awesome, because I don't have that one. So that's a pretty sweet pickup for me. And he also sent me this Zay Jones from Score, numbered to 35, artist proof. Looking for big things from him this year, hopefully. He had a pretty decent year last year. Hopefully he has a breakout this year. I'm looking for it. And then he sent me that's actually a cool insert, Signal Callers, Josh Allen. And then we got a Tyree Jackson rookie and a Singletary rookie. So that was a pretty sweet deal. And these are just, I'm just going to show you, these are some recent pickups I had. This, a little while back, Capital P, I'm sure you guys all know him. He has like a ton of subscribers, but this actually sent me a couple of these too. Stickers, the Capital P. But he does auctions a lot. And he had a lot, actually, of these Matt Carpenters that I picked up from Bowman. It's pretty sweet. It started a little rainbow of Matt Carpenter. This one's a green, numbered to 99. The purple is numbered to 250. And then this like light blue is numbered to 499. So I picked up those for my PC. And then I got it. These are just a couple. I mean, I just did this video of this year's Goodwin Champions, and this was a PC hit for me. Kobe White, who was the top first-round pick for the Bulls this year from North Carolina. I hit that, which is, I'm pretty sure that's a short print too for Goodwin Champions. And then this is a recent eBay pickup I had for my PC, Steve Kerr from this year's Spectra. And that's numbered to 60. I always, the Spectra cards look awesome too. Like, it's really cool if you move it around. Head coach of the Warriors now, but he was a good player for the Bulls. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video show. Like I said, I got a little behind on my stuff, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Got some, always have more content on the way. So keep watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.